So it's time to explore ThingSpeak. So you can see that we have several tabs here. So if you can click here, so you can see that we have channels for my channel, watch channels, and we have public channels. So if I click here for my channel, so this is actually the project that I have been developed in this account previously. So you can see perhaps yours is still empty, or you have your previous project in here. So we also have watch channels, so I'm not watching any channels. Okay, so actually you can click and find channels to watch. So you can see that this is the channel that you can watch and follow. So you have the air quality. There are many type of project that you can watch. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of project using this ThingSpeak. Okay, and if you go to the public channel, okay, so you can also select and see the project. So if you click, if I give you an example, so you can see that this channel ID of 935349. So this is the author. So the access is public. You can set it as a public or private. If it is public, so I can access it, we all can access it. You can see this data. Okay, for dust is actually for environment sensor. We have temperature, humidity, and pressure dust. So it is used several visualization and also widget. So you can see that this is an example of visualization. Okay, next we go for the apps. So you can see that we have a lot of apps here. Okay, so if I click all apps, okay, so apps is actually help ThingSpeak channel store data, upload the data from the web, or send the data from the device to the ThingSpeak channel. So use these apps to transform and visualize data or trigger an action. So there are tutorial here and how to create channels and learn more about Matlab in ThingSpeak. If we can see that in terms of analytics, it is supported by Matlab analysis, which you can explore and transform data. Okay, if we click here, so this is an example. Okay, this is an example for Matlab analysis. So you can explore data collection in channels or scrap from a website. Okay, and find and remove bad data, convert data to different unit, calculate new data, and build data models. So in your analysis code, you can also use functionality from any Matlab toolbox supported in ThingSpeak that you are licensed to use. And after analysis, you can write the data to the channel or publish it to share your results. Okay, this is quite fun. Okay, so if we go to Matlab visualization, so you can see that this is also a sample that I have done. So in Matlab visualization, it uses interactive ThingSpeak Matlab plot to visualize and explore data collected in a channel, and you also have access to many more statistic Matlab plot. If I click here, so you can see that we have Matlab plot gallery. So it provide you various examples to display data graphically in Matlab. So you can click the launch example, okay, to see. Okay, so you can see that there are lots of animations. You just click to see what is type of plot exists in Matlab. Okay, okay, there are the data distribution plot. Okay, discrete plots. So we have geographic plot, images, line plots. Okay, polar plots. Okay, scatter and bubble chart, surface and mesh plot, vector field, volume visualization. Okay, so there are lots. So even we can download the codes for the selected plots. Okay, that will be helping you a lot in your projects. Matlab also come with plugins, so you can see that if you use plugin to create Google Docs chart and custom display using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so you can embed any of this display on the website. If you want to learn more, just click here. So there are documentation on how you can use the plugin to enable you to use this custom visualization and control. Okay, So we have, this is a step to create plugin, so I will not show you in detail, so you can explore if you would like. Okay, so we have ThingSpeak. So you can see that ThingSpeak is apps to link Twitter account to your ThingSpeak account. Your device can send an alert using Twitter using ThingSpeak. And for example, if you can make a device tweet you when the temperature in your greenhouse drop or when the battery in the device is running low. So make sure that you have you click the link to the account, and you need to have a Twitter account, of course. And then there are several steps that you're going to use an API, okay, to do this tweeting, tweet your account. Okay. Okay, next is time control. So time control work with other ThingSpeak apps to perform an action at a specific time or on a regular schedule. So you can use time control. So with Things HTTP to communicate with device, and ThingSpeak to send alerts via Twitter, and TalkBack to queue up command for a device. Okay, for example, you can make a Thing HTTP request that calls someone via Twilio and control a device or connect to a thermostat accepted HTTP request. Okay, you can just learn more. Okay, so there are documentation about it. Okay, and also you can explore example. You can send tweet automatically every morning with time control. So this is how we use. Okay. There are many more examples if you would like to click in this blog, Matlab blog. Okay, and you can explore more if you want to see what happened to React, TalkBack, and Thing HTTP. Next, we will go to the device. So you can see that you have MQTT here. So if you like to have a new MQTT device, you just can click over there and then name it, describe it, and give the access lah. Wherever you need to have your project first, and then you can use this MQTT device. Okay. And we also have the support for documentation, tutorial samples, and community support. So if you click at the documentation, it will help you to get started with ThingSpeak. Okay, so you can see that this ThingSpeak is actually comes with a very clear guidance. So you can just click get started. So you will get started with ThingSpeak in the next video. Okay, thank you.